Hello, welcome to class. I just want to kind of highlight a little bit of the syllabus just really quick. So again, here's some information about me. I have two adult children. I have a daughter in dental school, and I have a son that is more on the creative side and is looking at video production. So two kiddos still in school, adults though, and then I have a mini golden doodle, but you can read a little bit about me there. Syllabus is right here. And just know that some of the videos in this class might be made by me, but they also might be made by other instructors in the class. So you might hear a video from David or from Chelsea or from Taylor. Just know that we're all on the same team and we're just trying to help you learn as much as possible. So this is specific for my class, but you might throughout the course have some videos from some other people. So let's see, let's go down here. You can read everything you're going to learn. There's some information from me. And again, as far as office hours, we can do those in person if you're near Ankeny or online. I have some set hours right now, but if those need to change for evening hours or whatever based on your life situations, we can do that. We're going to use Newton. I believe it's about anywhere from maybe mid-30s to mid-40s for the class. It's open resource with some support. As far as grading, which most of you want to know about, there's different categories. I do weighted grades. One thing you need to know is that this is a huge time commitment. So if you're taking this class and physics at the same time, probably not a good idea. This is normally a haul during a 15-week semester. So shoving it into summer in 10 weeks is a lot because we're basically taking all of college algebra, which is a 4-credit class, all of trig, which is a 3-credit class, and shoving it into a 5-credit class. And then we're shoving it into 10 weeks. Excuse me. So it's going to be a huge time commitment, but again, if you're up for the challenge, so am I. Video notes, I will try to send out a video or two every week. These are the big ideas. You're going to take notes on these and submit them electronically, and you will get 5% of your grade. So that's kind of more of a completion situation. I will randomly look for things in your notes. So just know to watch the video, take detailed notes, and I will look at those. Again, you might have to watch other videos. There's some in the online class. The ones that are starred are ones you really, really should watch. The other ones are more general. But again, my notes will try to be tailored for big ideas and conceptual ideas that I would emphasize in a face-to-face class. If you need more videos, let me know and I can help you with that. Newton homework, this is a mastery-based situation here. So again, you might get 85 to 100% on your assignments. That's considered mastery. So you would get all 100 points. If you get in the 60 to 74% mastery level, you're going to get 80 points. So this is more doing it over and over again till you feel like you know what you're doing. It's possible that if you need to backtrack a little bit, the system might backtrack you just to remind you on how to simplify a radical, things like that if you forget. Journals, this is more your views on something or your thoughts. So I definitely want your words and your thoughts, not AI. So do your best writing, capital letters, periods, sentences, good grammar, things like that. But again, I don't expect it to be flowy and have all these adjectives that AI might stick in it. I want you to just give me your thoughts, your ideas on those. Quizzes. These will be similar to my paper and pencil tests, so this will help prepare you. These are take home. You can work with other people. You can go and talk to people in the AAC, either online or in person. And again, use this as a tool to learn, but it is open book, open note. Again, don't just Google it or don't use any type of algebra solver. Do the heavy lifting yourself because that's how you learn. Labs and reviews, the labs are going to be more hands-on things like, hey, do this on Desmos. What do you notice? Things like that. And reviews, It might be a 10-page review to get you ready for the test, and I'll try to make some videos to go with that so you can use that as a tool to study from. Tests, there will be 3 of them, 15% each. They will be proctored. So if you're within an hour of any of the DMAC sites, you can take it at our testing center. If you're near another community college, we can do that. And if you're in Europe or in California or something like that, we will figure it out. So I will work with you on figuring out where and how to get that proctored. And I usually let you use Desmos like the last 10 or 20 minutes of the exam. So normal calculator's fine up to that point. And then after that, we'll use Desmos. Typical grading, missed exams, late policies, things like that. Again, make sure you do your own work. Don't use algebra solvers. Don't use AI, things like that. My goal is to help you to learn. When you get to modules, and again, I'm still working on this. I was just assigned this class on Friday, and I didn't have access till Friday afternoon. So I've been working this weekend, but I still have a few things to tweak. But I have all the homework set up. It's some of the labs and quizzes, things like that, that I don't have quite set up yet. But you are going to come down here. This is my view, so I'm not in the student view right now, but you're going to start here, and it's going to lead you through all of this nice stuff. Maybe if it loads, there we go. So you're going to do this. I'm going to have this welcome video right here instead of the one I have. You're going to hit next, and you're just going to go through all of this. And there is a syllabus quiz at the end. So you're just going to arrow through all of that and do that. Then when you're done with that, then that's the orientation. And I think there is one. Yeah, the syllabus quiz, and then you can learn anything. This is how I'm taking attendance, that you're actually showing up to your online class. If, again, my computer is really slow, maybe it will open. There you go. So again, watch this video and do this activity, because again, that is how I will know that you are attending this online class. Otherwise, you will get dropped for non-attending. So make sure you get through that orientation quickly and do all of that. Then start the algebra review. And here's the book, which is free. What you're paying for is the homework system. And you are just going to go work through all of that. If there's things that you have forgotten, the system should explain it to you. If you need me to make a video on something, I certainly will. And I'll try to make a general video on all of this, again, for a Julie video grade. But if there's more detail you need, this is kind of a review of Algebra 1, Algebra 2. But if there's something that you're like, Julie, I have no idea, I don't remember this, I need more specific video than what you can find online, let me know, and I can certainly do that. The other thing I'll try to do is explain it in my mind, like how I think about it, which might be a little bit different than maybe what you've thought about in the past. So anyway, so you can start working. Again, welcome to class, and I am excited to work with you this semester.